Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first Fab Fit Fun box of the year. It is the Spring 2022 box. This box was a lot like fatter and shorter, I think. Ooh, we got some stickers. It would be cool if they did the stickers like they would give me summer stickers instead of spring stickers, because if I'm gonna put that the Fab Fit Fun customization or add-ons for the next box are coming, it would be nice to have the stickers that say for that box, so like a season in advance, rather than getting stickers for a box that's already here. Just a thought. For those planner girls. Oh, I forgot, this is the one with the Erin Condren stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna pull that one out right away because I am an EC customer for sure, like every year. This is nice. I was excited to try these ones because I've never tried her markers before. I've only ever tried her planners. Are these markers? Yes, dual tip markers, okay. Let's see. Some paper I could try on. Not bad. I like it. What's inside the box? It's like note cards with envelopes. Ooh, very nice. Yes. This is like classic Erin Condren design right here. It's got birthday cards. Oh, are they all birthday cards? Oh, okay, no, there's there's 4 birthday. Thank you, appreciate you, thank you, thanks, congrats, well done, congrats, woohoo, hi, hello, hello. Okay, it would be helpful if I actually showed it, but okay, wait, I'm just gonna show my favorite one. Okay, I really love this one because everyone loves gold foil. I don't know anyone who doesn't love gold foil. Oh, this one's so pretty. That one's pretty too. Oh, I love this. Okay, I just love them all. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. Love that. I love that they included Erin Condren this month. I'm actually going to use these ones because they're so pretty not to use. Okay. My other choice. I chose the it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner plus Keratin. There's really supposed to be a lid because there's not one. I have to do it to the other side now. It smells so good. It doesn't smell like the other Leave-In Miracle Conditioner. It smells a little bit different. So I chose that, and then the other thing I chose, I always forget that basically we choose everything. Christopher Robin Regenerating Mask with Prickly Pear Oil. Sumptuous hair. Revitalized and deeply nourished. I'm gonna smell it. Oh my gosh, that's so thick, and there's so much product in there. Oh, that smells amazing. If you've ever been to the L'Occitane store, this is what reminds me of their products. Oh, that's so good. I kind of wish it was a body lotion, but it's a regenerating mask. And you leave it on for, oh, you start at the scalp too. 5 minutes. Not bad. Very, very excited about this. Next item I have here is the Pharmacy Honey Halo. I'm actually surprised I didn't see this one sell out in the beginning. Has a nice spatula. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna keep this one forever. It's like metal. Like the plastic ones, they get lost and let's get the thing off the lid. This is a really pretty jar. Glass jar. So this is an ultra hydrating ceramide moisturizer. Yeah, that definitely has like a very subtle honey smell. Very soft. I love it. Also, it's mixing in with the jasmine oil that I had in earlier, and they work well together. That's so nice. Actually, I'm not gonna even, well, am I gonna use this yet? I have other things to get through. Let's just keep it on ice for a bit. Okay. And then I've got a Topical C skincare booster powder. I know that I picked, oh, there's the lid for the thing. I picked a mystery surprise, so I don't know which one I got that was a mystery. I feel like I don't remember picking this. Topical C skincare booster powder. I keep seeing this brand like the new. I even saw it over at BoxyCharm today. I think you're supposed to like mix this with some, oh, into your moisturizer. Okay. And then I got an Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Ooh, that looks cool. Glow Juice, that just sounds good. Oh, it's very, very citrusy. The way it feels, it reminds me of the Herbivore, you know, the blue tansy one. Oh no, it reminds me of Glow Recipe. Kind of smells like it, but the feel, and I'm confused. Only has to be 3 minutes. Very cool. And that's it for my Fab Fit Fun this month. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.